go. Vallahi iyidir Ergun'um, sağ ol. Guys, let me tell you this. Today we're gonna try something crazy. Today I'm gonna take off from here with Ergun over here, is my friend, and we're gonna try to land over there to the beach. But you know what? I'm very excited and everything. I can see a couple of people take off and everything. But you know what? It's crazy. I shouldn't do this. This is not my job. But behind this camera, my brothers just say that you have to go for it. You have to try it, and you have to trust yourself and everything. We're gonna do it and we're gonna enjoy this. I hope I'm gonna survive end of the day, and see you later and see you down there. Hopefully we see you just down there. Bye for now.
Turn the backside like a bird. Now just listen to me. If I say to walk, together walking. If I say to keep running, just keep running and directly seaside. Okay?
Okay.
Please be careful. If you sit or stop, we fall down.
Oh, okay.
It's dangerous.
Okay.
Now, when I say 1, 2, 3, we starting walking. He's our captain. He's help us. And after I say to you run, we will running.
Here I go.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Just waiting now.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Ah!
Ready?
Yeah.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, walking. Walk.
Oh, I already have a little bit courage and you blow that courage, man. God.
Sometimes we forget it you.
Fun.
Try that alone.
No.
Be careful. Don't try the home.
No.
It again.
Yeah.
Listen again. Good run, good fly. No run, no fly. Nani hospital.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm also ready.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We want to down. Ready?
Yes. Let's go.
like a...
Oh my god! Wow!
Are you feeling your leg?
Oh, this is amazing, man! Wow, guys, I'm telling you, so far is so good, and I'm saying I recommend to everyone to try this. This is so beautiful. It's unbelievable! Ah! No, no, no! Shit! Oh, no! It's crazy! This is... I'm telling you guys, you have to try this. This is... Oh my goodness, I have to say what I'm feeling is... It's like you're free, like a bird and you're flying. This is so cool. This is so awesome. I'm saying this guy over there doing a great job. For now, of course, I'm enjoying very much. This is from Alanya side in Turkey, Antalya, Alanya. If you ever drop by in this area for holiday or anything, you're more than welcome to try this. If you say so, you know what, I'm gonna fly with this guy. It's
Uluskai.
Uluskai. The company called Uluskai. Do not forget that. Just note it on the side. Try this. This gentleman behind is called Ergin. I'm telling you, I'm absolutely thrilled with this. Amazing. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Like a bird, you're flying. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. It's so great. I'm speechless. Listen, you guys, I'm speechless. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yes, please. Why not if you can? Or should I? Okay, maybe we do. Or we try.
Sunglass take off.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, buddy.
Okay. Alright.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, it is true. Yeah. Man! Here I am! Oh my goodness! I am in clouds now! I can touch them! Swear to God, guys, I feel this! I'm in between clouds! Oh, thanks, man! This is amazing! Beautiful! Here we're running after clouds and everything! It's amazing! It's beautiful! It's a great feeling! You know what? I highly recommend to everyone. This is one time in your life. You should go for this. It's beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. Wow. So awesome. Wow. I can smell these trees and everything. Like, I'm very close to the mountainside now. You can almost touch the trees. It's beautiful. Wow, unbelievable. I'm saying highly recommended, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, highly recommended. If you have no fear from just having a little bit extreme sports, just go for it. Or try something adrenaline. This is absolutely amazing. Here we are in clouds again. Woo-hoo. It's nice. Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
You come back to start point.
Yeah, that's where in the point actually. We just take it off over here.
Yeah.
Just on the side, yes. Yeah, this is amazing. It's beautiful. Wow. Ergin, I'm saying, well, you know what? I really appreciate it to help me out with this and give me this experience.
Don't forget us.
No, never, never, never. Hopefully this video hit to millions, and then you know what, we'll be very glad, guys. Just a like button and and subscribes. And do not forget Uluskai and the friend of mine, Ergin. If you're around Antalya, Alanya area, just ask for him. Everybody knows him.
And also look at the TripAdvisor.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, TripAdvisor. That's true. Yeah, go for it. Check it out, TripAdvisor, and see the comments and everything. But I can say it like no words could explain what I feel right now with this trip and everything. I'm just like speechless. There's no word for it. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Wow. Very nice. You did a great job, man.
Good job, but this is last time.
It is, right? Yeah, you don't take it like a job. You're right. Yeah. I can say it. Absolutely. I can feel that. Absolutely. This is one of the best things to do. Wow. Very beautiful. Wow. Touchdown. It's wonderful.
See the new harbor?
That's down there, yeah. That's the harbor. Yeah. Wow.
Hello everybody again. We come to seaside.
Yes.
Maybe Fernie want the action.
Yes, some, not too much, not too much, not too much. Whoa. Whoa. Ergün! No! Whoa! Ergün! No! Ergün! Run! Ergün!
Don't trap.
Again, slow down. We don't need this anymore.
No. Wait.
Oh, that was what I'm saying. This was crazy, but I enjoy it though. It's very. I didn't scare much. I have to admit it. You will be witness that I wasn't scared at all. I mean, this is fun and I love it. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing, guys. I hope you can enjoy it as much as we did.
Stand up.
Hoppa!
Turn. You have a 5 now?
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye for this time. Here is after my fly and everything. I want to have this one. Quite nice price as well for me. So as a like remembering my first fly and everything, and I will be, it's gonna be my lucky charm, which is I already land safely and everything. You see the video and everything. It was amazing experience and all, and hope you can enjoy the same that I enjoy it, the same way that I enjoy it. So you know where to find this place and everything. I said it a lot. So bye for now. Thank you.